Welcome. If you're facing login issues with LinkedIn, you're not alone. Many users encounter problems accessing their accounts, but don't worry. We have a straightforward guide to help you resolve these issues effectively. Here's how to fix your LinkedIn login problem step by step. Step 1. Close and reopen the app. The first thing you should do is close the LinkedIn app completely. After that, reopen it. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches that may be causing login issues. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Next, make sure that your username and password are correct. It's easy to mistype your credentials, so double-check them before proceeding. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for logging in. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon to check your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. Restart your device. If you're still having trouble, restart your device. This can help clear any background processes that might be interfering with the app's performance. Once your device is back on, open the LinkedIn app again. Step 5. Clear app cache clearing. The app cache can also help. Go to your device settings and find LinkedIn settings. Click on Clear Data and then select Clear Cache. Confirm this step to ensure that any corrupted data is removed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login issues with LinkedIn. If you're still having trouble after trying all of these methods, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the app or reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you get back into your LinkedIn account smoothly. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.